Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ledger Nano X. Before you begin, it's crucial to understand that resetting your device will erase all its data. This process is irreversible, so ensure you have your 24-word recovery phrase readily available and confirmed as correct. Without it, you will lose access to your crypto assets. Double-check its accuracy now to avoid any issues later. To initiate the reset, power on your Ledger Nano X. When prompted for your PIN, intentionally enter an incorrect one. You will need to do this 3 times consecutively. After the third incorrect attempt, your device will recognize the repeated error and automatically trigger the reset sequence. This is the only method to factory reset your Ledger Nano X. Once you have entered the incorrect PIN 3 times, your Ledger Nano X will display a message indicating that it is about to reset. To confirm this action, you must press both physical buttons on the device simultaneously. This confirms your intention to erase all data. The device will then proceed to wipe all information, returning it to its original factory state. After the reset is complete, your Ledger Nano X will be in the same state as when you first unboxed it. You will then have 2 options. Either restore your existing accounts using your 24-word recovery phrase, or set it up as a completely new device. Choose the option that best suits your needs to regain access or start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.